Mayor Lino Cayetano had all residents of Taguig's 28 barangays given stay-at-home food bags. Cayetano had these distributed house to house on day one of the government's ECQ or Enhanced Community Quarantine for Metro Manila and nearby provinces Bulacan, Cavite, Rizal, and Laguna. The food bags contain rice, canned goods, coffee, and energy drink. Taguig's packs also contain a hygiene kit. The city government has also deployed its Taguig mobile market. Food establishments in Taguig will remain open for delivery and takeout services, along with grocery stores and markets.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.